What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. You must be very happy because this is the last lesson in these tutorials. Congratulations, it's not easy, it's difficult, but it's happy. You finish all these tutorials. Good luck to you, have a nice coding and Python life in the future. Today we are going to introduce sequential search and binary search. First, we define sequential search function with parameter list and set a for loop for I in range with length function of list. If list I equals key and it return I. And for loop returns -1. And we set a data list equals 180, 72, 31, and 5. And key equals int input search the number and return is sequential search function with argument as data. If return does not equals -1, it prints it is in the priority number position. And number is return +1, and else print can't find this number. Alright, we execute it. Search the number and we type 72 is the priority 3 position. Let's check 1, 2, 3 again, and we type 5 is in the priority 5 position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again, and we type 100. Can't find this number. It works. Alright, let's go on and take a look at binary search. First, we define binary search with parameter list and print the list of searching list. And we set low equals 0 and high equals length function list and -1, and middle equals int high plus low and divide by 2. And we set a while loop, while true if key equals list middle, and return equals middle and break. Aleph key bigger than list middle, and low equals middle plus 1, and else height equals middle minus 1, middle equals int high plus low and divide by 2. If low bigger than high, return equals minus 1 and break, and return, and we set a data list equals 3, 12, 55, 100, 754, 51, 18, 20, and 71. And we set a sequential data and use sorted function of data. Key equals int input search the number, and index equals binary search function with argument as sequential data. And if index does not equals minus 1, and print it's the priority number position and number index plus 1, and else print can't find list number. Alright, we execute it. Search the number and we type 100 is the priority 8 position. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And execute it again. And we type 55 and execute it. It's the priority 6 position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And execute it again. What if we type 500? Can't find this number. Alright, it is very simple, right? Today we have talked about the algorithm of search and how to use the sequential search and the binary search. This is the last video of Lativa Python tutorial, and congratulations to you have finished all this tutorial, and good luck to you have a nice Python coding life in the future. See you.